If you are trying to choose between Stable Diffusion and Dall-E, this video will help you decide quickly. Both are powerful AI image generators, but they work very differently and are designed for different types of users. In this video, we'll compare image quality, customization, ease of use, pricing, and who each tool is best for. And for now, let's get started. What is a Stable Diffusion? Stable Diffusion is an open source AI image generation model developed by Stability AI. Unlike many AI tools, Stable Diffusion can run locally on your computer if you have a good GPU. It's widely used by creators, developers, and advanced users because it offers a huge amount of control. You can also use it through interfaces like Automatic 1111, Config UI. Stable Diffusion supports things like custom models, LORAs, and painting, image-to-image generation, advanced workflows. So overall, it's built for flexibility and customization. What is Dall-E? Dall-E is OpenAI's AI image generator. It's mainly focused on simplicity and ease of use. You type a prompt and the AI generates polished images in seconds. Dall-E is integrated into ChatGPT, which makes it extremely beginner-friendly. You do not need technical setup, powerful hardware, or complicated workflows. It is designed more for casual users, content creators, designers, marketing visuals, quick concept art. So while Stable Diffusion focuses on control, Dall-E focuses on convenience. Image quality comparison. Dall-E usually produces cleaner and more polished images right away. It's especially good at realistic scenes, accurate lighting, creative concepts, text understanding. It also handles natural language prompts very well, so beginners often get good results without much effort. Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion can produce amazing images too, but results depend heavily on the model you use, your settings, prompt quality, extra tools, and workflows. With the right setup, Stable Diffusion can sometimes outperform Dall-E, especially for anime art, stylized artwork, highly customized images. But it usually requires more learning. Ease of use. Dall-E is much easier to use. Everything works directly inside ChatGPT or the web app. You simply type a prompt, generate the image, edit if needed, no installations or technical setup required. Stable Diffusion has a learning curve. Stable Diffusion can be confusing at first. You may need to install software, download models, adjust settings, learn workflows. Tools like Config UI are powerful, but they can feel overwhelming for new users. So if you want simplicity, Dall-E is the better option. Customization and control. Stable Diffusion wins here. This is where Stable Diffusion becomes extremely powerful. You can train custom styles, use community models, fine-tune outputs, control poses and composition, add extensions and plugins. There is a massive community constantly creating new tools and models. Dall-E is far more limited in comparison. It focuses on simplicity rather than deep customization, so advanced users usually prefer Stable Diffusion. Pricing. Dall-E is usually tied to ChatGPT plans or usage credits. It's convenient, but you may pay monthly depending on usage. Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion itself is open source and free. However, you may still need a powerful PC, cloud GPU services, paid models, or hosting tools. So technically, it can be cheaper long term, but setup costs may be higher. Which one is better? Choose Dall-E if you want fast and easy image generation. Choose Dall-E if you are a beginner. Choose Dall-E if you need polished results quickly. Choose Dall-E if you do not want technical setup. Choose Stable Diffusion if you want maximum control, if you like customization, if you create specialized art styles, and if you are comfortable learning advanced tools. Neither tool is objectively better for everyone. It really depends on your workflow and experience level. Final verdict and conclusion. For most casual users and beginners, Dall-E is probably the better choice because it's simple, fast, and reliable. But for advanced creators who want deeper control and unlimited customization, Stable Diffusion is still one of the most powerful AI image tools available. At the end of the day, both are excellent, they just target different types of users. So which one do you prefer, Stable Diffusion or Dall-E? Let me know down below in the comments. And if this video helped you out, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and turn on the notifications for more AI tool comparisons and reviews. Share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.